Hey everyone, so today is Sunday, June 16th, and I am about to start packing for my trip to Europe. Tomorrow we fly out of Charlotte to DC and then to Edinburgh, Scotland. So we are super excited, and I thought it would be cool to do a packing vlog with you guys and show you what I'm going to take and how I am going to style my outfits in Ireland, Scotland, and France. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off all my filler clothes on this rack and empty it out to put some of my outfit ideas that I might want to take on my trip to Europe. So let's do that now. So when I bought this rack, yes, I did buy it to display clothes in my room because I just like to see my style options, and I'm just very artistic in a way like that, so I like to have like a cool color combination for the season. But I also did buy it to be able to look at outfits in a better point of view, so this is a great rack to be able to use today. So if you guys know me or follow me on Instagram, you know that I take Instagram very seriously and I am very into style and men's fashion. Saying that, I decided for my trip to Europe to do more like a natural toned color palette instead of like neons and bright colors. I want to do more of like browns, army green, and black, and just kind of the natural earth colors. Now I'm gonna go in my closet and find some cool outfits that might be able to work for this trip, and then I can start styling shirts, pants, and accessories together to create my outfits for each day. Okay, so first I picked out all the tops and jackets that I was considering wearing, and I went from kind of the bright colors to the more darker and neutral colors, but this is kind of what I'm thinking for this trip to Europe. I am super bad at packing. It takes me hours, and also I'm just the type of person that wants to make outfits up the day of, so I always pack more than I need to because I like to have different options. But now I'm just gonna go through and limit down the options. To let you guys know, the reason why I do tops first is because I have more of them, and also I typically like tops better just because of the different designs and different elements that they have. So what I typically like to do when I pack is I will get all my tops, and then I will find sweatshirts, sweaters, and stuff like that to match with them, and then I will get the bottoms and then add the accessories last. That is just how I put different outfits together. So now I have everything that I might want, so I'm gonna go through and pick out the things that I'm going to keep for this trip, and then I will show you guys what I'm going to bring along with me. Finally got all the stuff that I think I want to bring, and it's right here in this section, and this is kind of my no-goes for now, so I'm gonna go and put this back away in my closet and then start pairing outfits together and making sure I have all the pieces to make the outfit that I want to create. Now I have all my tops and jacket outerwear that I want to take on this trip. And now is step 3, which is getting bottoms to match. So I'm gonna go and get a couple, mostly jeans and long pants, but I will be packing a couple pairs of shorts too. I just grabbed the bottoms and hung them up in the back of my rack right here. And I'm gonna go pick out some accessories that I really wanna take on this trip. And then I'm going to start putting the outfits together and matching tennis shoes and other things with them. And I will show you each individual outfit that I will be wearing. So as of right now, I don't really know exactly where I'm going to wear these outfits, obviously on the trip, but I just don't know exactly what location yet, so the temperature varies in different locations. So I did pack shorts and pants of the same sort of style so that if I do wear it in a warmer place or it is a warmer day, I can pair it with shorts, or a colder day, I can pair it with pants. So I'm now realizing that this vlog is getting super long, so I'm only going to show you a couple outfits of my selection and what I'm going to pair with them and stuff like that. First outfit is this cool peach and white striped Guess shirt. I got it at PacSun, and I'm going to pair it with either white pants or white shorts, and I'm just gonna pair it with shorts for now, but it's gonna look like that. Burberry Shield glasses that I just got, super cool and retro, and I will also pair them with some white Air Forces. The top for outfit number 2 is this short sleeve yellow crew neck, and it actually is made of a thicker material, so it's kind of warm. And for that one, I'm gonna do this jacket with it, and I'm probably gonna do white pants or shorts with that one too. And I was kind of thinking these new oval Ray-Bans I just got for that outfit, and maybe a crossbody bag that I just got also at Coach, and it has like some cool patches and stuff. I really like it, but yeah, I'll probably pair this bag with that one too. Outfit number 3, I'm gonna do this cool Hollister striped t-shirt. It's like a cool navy blue and olive green with a white on it, and I'll probably either do white pants or shorts with this one. The black could also work for this specific thing. My white Air Forces with this one too, to pop out the white from the shirt. It's gonna be perfect for this trip because I can match it with multiple different outfits. The oval Ray-Bans again. The next outfit I'm going to show you today is this super dope Tommy Hilfiger patchwork shirt, and it's super like military like. I really like the color scheme that they did on this shirt, and I'll probably wear it with black pants or shorts, and the bag will match again, and I'll probably end up just doing plain black Ray-Ban aviators for this one, and maybe some jewelry or something like that. I am going to also bring my Easy Boost 350s along for the ride, so I'll probably pair that outfit with these. These are so comfortable, and they would be a great pair of shoes to travel. I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. You guys have now seen my outfits that I'm gonna bring on my trip with me, and I'm gonna go pack them in my suitcase because I need to wrap this up and get it done because I have a couple more things to do tonight before I leave tomorrow for my trip. But thank you guys for watching and staying tuned throughout this video, and I'm super excited to publish and edit all these cool vlogs and travel edits that I will be doing in Europe. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned for these cool videos. Can't wait to share. Bye!